Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LipMonthly unboxing for May. And it always comes with a super cute bag. This one, the little lipsticks all over it, just kind of jumping in the air, which is kind of funny. So, Girl Power is the theme this month. Get a list of products inside with the retail value. So this package retails for $55, so let's take a look. This is City Color Hydrating Lip Balm. And it says it's raspberry, so I bet that smells really good. And it's probably one of those that has just a very light pigment to it, I'm assuming. And that retails for $4 from City Color. Also have Feathermate Liquid Lipstick, Iby Beauty. It says this is in a nude color. And this retails for $12. Let's see if I can get that out there. Yeah, that's a pretty color. Definitely a shade I would wear. Swatch it for you guys. Well, that's nice. And please excuse the, if you could see that on camera, my daughter bit me because she's a kind little toddler. But yeah, that's really nice. Goes on real smooth. So we have that. Also have Loreal Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Legend is the shade. So let's take a look at that one. And it says this retails for $20. I forgot to mention, I believe they did change the price of this subscription, but I think now it's $12.99. I'll put it all below. But it's still a really good deal in my opinion. Ooh, that is fun. Has a really pretty, like, metallic sheen to it. That's beautiful. Love that. And the last one. You could already see from the card. Oh, it barely fits in there. Got stuck. This is a lip liner from Lord & Berry. And the shade is Bare. And this retails for $19. Very nice. So that is what I got this month. Pretty good deal. If you would like to sign up for LipMonthly, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.